Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stylish lighting for interior design ideas and tips for how to use lighting to transform your home interior. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Interior lighting design is the art and science of using light to create a comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing indoor space. It is an essential part of any interior design project, as it can have a significant impact on the overall mood, feel, and atmosphere of a room. Interior lighting design is the process of planning and installing lighting fixtures and systems in a way that meets the functional and aesthetic needs of a particular space. It takes into account factors such as the purpose of the room, the amount of natural light available, and the overall design style. What are the 4 types of lighting in interior design? There are 4 main types of lighting used in interior design. First, ambient lighting. This type of lighting provides general illumination for a room. It can come from overhead fixtures, such as chandeliers or pendant lights, or from recessed lighting. Second, task lighting. This type of lighting is used to illuminate specific areas where people perform tasks, such as reading, cooking, or working. It can come from table lamps, floor lamps, or under cabinet lighting. Third, accent lighting. This type of lighting is used to highlight architectural features or artwork. It can come from track lighting, spot lighting, or wall sconces. Fourth, decorative lighting. This type of lighting is used to add visual interest and style to a room. It can come from chandeliers, pendant lights, or floor lamps. What are the best types of lighting in minimalist interior design? Minimalist interior design is characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and a neutral color palette. When choosing lighting for a minimalist space, it is important to select fixtures that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Some good options for minimalist lighting include: first, recessed lighting. This type of lighting is recessed into the ceiling, so it is out of sight and does not distract from the overall design of the space. Second, track lighting. This type of lighting is versatile and can be used to illuminate specific areas of a room or to create accent lighting. Third, pendant lights. Pendant lights can be used to add visual interest to a minimalist space without being too over the top. Fourth, floor lamps. Floor lamps are a good option for providing task lighting in a minimalist space. What are the 7 elements of interior design? The 7 elements of interior design are: 1. Space. This refers to the overall layout of a room and how the furniture is arranged. 2. Line. This refers to the horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines that are created by the different elements in a room. 3. Form. This refers to the 3-dimensional shapes of the furniture and other objects in a room. 4. Color. This refers to the use of color to create a particular mood or atmosphere in a room. 5. Texture. This refers to the different textures of the materials used in a room, such as wood, fabric, and stone. 6. Pattern. This refers to the use of patterns in a room, such as stripes, polka dots, and florals. 7. Light. This refers to the use of natural and artificial light to create a well-lit space. And to complete your inspiration, here is a list of 10 best interior lighting design ideas. 1. Use layers of lighting. This means using a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a well-lit space. Ambient lighting provides general illumination for the room. Task lighting is used to illuminate specific areas where people perform tasks, and accent lighting is used to highlight architectural features or artwork. 2. Choose the right type of lighting for each task. For example, use bright, focused task lighting for reading and cooking, and softer, more diffuse accent lighting to highlight artwork or a fireplace. 3. Consider the overall mood and atmosphere you want to create. Warm light can create a cozy and inviting space, while cool light can create a more modern and sleek look. 4. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of lighting fixtures. There are many different styles and options available, so you can find the perfect fixtures to match your decor. 5. Use dimmers to control the brightness of your lights. This will give you more flexibility and allow you to adjust the lighting to suit your needs. 6. Pay attention to the direction of light. Downlighting can create a more dramatic effect, while uplighting can create a more airy and spacious feel. 7. Use reflective surfaces to bounce light around the room. This can help to brighten up dark corners and create a more even distribution of light. 8. Use lighting to highlight your favorite features. For example, use accent lighting to highlight a beautiful fireplace, a piece of artwork, or an architectural detail. 9. Don't forget the outdoors. Use lighting to create a welcoming and inviting outdoor space. This could include using solar lights to illuminate a walkway or patio, or using string lights to create a festive atmosphere. 10. Have fun with it. Lighting is a great way to add personality and style to your home. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and find what works best for you. Interior lighting design is an essential part of any home decor project. By following the tips above, you can create a well-lit space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. If you need help with your interior lighting design, please visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more tips and ideas. We have a variety of videos on topics such as choosing the right lighting fixtures, creating a lighting plan, and installing lighting. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish lighting for interior design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.